What's up, guys? It's I'm your credit coach, and this week I want to talk about how having a great FICO score is like being in a Buddhist temple. Shannon and I, we're in this Buddhist temple in Hacienda, and we're meeting amazing people. All these people here have great energy. They come here for peace. They come here to show gratitude. And I figured, well, that's the same thing like having a great FICO score. You're at peace. You're grateful because when you need it, it's there. And a lot of people come here to find peace. And I feel that if individuals who have bad credit don't really have the peace that they want. When it comes to marriages, relationships, what's the number one reason why they fight? It has to do with finances. And don't you think credit has something to do with that? Yes, it does. For those of you that have great credit, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It brings peace of mind, tranquility, knowing that your finances are in order. At least you have control of them. Yes, things can happen, but you're grateful that you understand your credit. You're grateful that things are in order, and you can come to this Buddhist temple, whether you a religious person or not. But the people that do come here, they're at peace. And I tell you this, a better credit score will give you peace.